Hello and welcome to the lame show of the election. We will start with Barack Obama.
Hi, people that I hardly even know. I will now tell you about my life. I don't know why, but I was born with incredibly big ears, and I think that comes from my great-grandfather.
I am just a Republican. I have no clue what's going on right now.
What's going on is that I ate too many beans last night.
Wait, what are we doing again?
Okay. Now you heard about the contestants' lives. Now you're going to hear about what they think of you.
I think that all people are confident, but they have a little evil in them.
I think that people have good manners and other stuff. But they still don't have the confidence to clean a toilet.
I just like pizza.
Grandma, put the broom down.